welcome back to another video. We have something, I guess, different, but exciting as well. Something a little bit different today. I guess you've kind of already seen it at the intro of the video, but we picked up another car. So this is my new Impreza, like little runaround car. I wasn't going to really feature it on the channel at all, but why not? I thought I would show you guys too. So let me just give you guys a quick walk around breakdown of what the car is. I mean, it's a Hawkeye 06 model, in the most amazing condition as you guys can see, but for what I pay for it, you know, it's gonna do the job for a car that's run around. So why did I get this car? Because one, I really like the shape, and I don't know, I just like the shape. So that's all I have to say about it. It's nothing special. It's a 2-liter automatic, pretty much just like a base model on some weird ass cheap plastic dip painted wheels. Today the goal is to wash it, clay bar it, polish it, and ceramic coat it, just to bring the whiteness a bit better too. And then there are a few little things that I'm going to touch up, being the front lip, or maybe getting a whole new front bumper bar as well, and same as the rear bumper bar too. So this is pretty chat, I guess you would say. But the rest of the car, honestly, it's an honest car. So that's why I thought, why not feature on the channel, make it like a little budget build video for you guys too. You know, something that doesn't break the bank, and maybe you have a daily as well. You want to make, like, I don't know, make it look nice. So I'm pretty tedious, as you guys can tell with my car. So a lot of you guys are from my channel watching this VB. So fitment, tire, and overall just paint is extremely important to me. Just the overall cleanliness of the car, and it does bug me driving this car, even though it's just a cheap runaround banger, like whatever, but it does bother me that it's not clean. So I'm gonna clean it up as much as we can. I'll give you guys a quick walk around, so it's again a bit hard to see. Show you guys inside too. Pretty stock standard automatic. What is it, about 200,000 kilometers? Not too bad. Honestly, mechanically, can't fault the car. Maybe like the automatic's not the best, but it is a common thing with these cars anyway. The 4-speed automatic, whatever, pretty trash, but it gets me to point A to point B. The only thing I could say is probably like this little, is it on this side? It's a bit hard to see, but a little dent there. Yeah, other than that, not a bad car, not a bad base. Push the headlights a bit more too, just to make it look a bit cleaner, because I really love the front end of the Hawkeye, especially when you get a nice aggressive fitment, a bit lower look, in my opinion. Beautiful, like you can't beat that shape. I do like the blob eye, but Hawkeye is probably one of my, up there with one of my favorites. All right, so we've got some microfiber towels and quick wax. So this is, I'm just going to use this to pretty much, while I'm clay barring the car. Now that the Impreza is dry, I can show you guys what I mean by the decontamination that it's got along, pretty much going through the whole bonnet and the roof, and there's a lot of swirl marks. It's a bit hard to see with the white color, but the closer you get, like, you can see just swirls through the whole car. I don't think this car has ever had a detail in its life, and it's been sitting outside for a very long time, so I'm keen to see how the white color is gonna come out. What we're using today, that's a Bigfoot buffing gun, got a clay bar as well, and Maguire's quick wax for that. In terms of, is this one, cut compound finishing polish driver's true paint correction, that is 3D. Yeah, so that's pretty much a little breakdown of what we're going to be using, and some microfiber towels to bring this car somewhat back to life as well. Start with some gold class car wash from Maguire's. This stuff is amazing. If you haven't used it, definitely use it. this car has just been sitting outside. I mean, no one really cares about it. It's just a base model Impreza. But now we're just going to give it a complete detail and bring it back to life. So I'm excited to see how it's going to look and turn out at the end of it. But yeah, so we're only up to step 2. We've got a few more steps to go, and then we'll start clay barring, and then we'll go from there. Perfect. Now the wash is done. We've dried it. It's now ready for clay barring. Here's just, I want to show you guys a little before. So there's like all those little dots here, and on the roof especially. You can see it's just, yeah, covered all the way across. So that's why we are clay barring it. Because if we buff it with all that, it's just going to be a mess. So we'll just make big, deeper scratches. So that's why clay barring is important before we polish. So just going over the boot as well. You guys can see just all that contamination. So yeah, now it's pretty much all prepped and ready for clay barring. Let's just get started on that. Clay bar wise quick cracks as well, so just gonna you guys can see, but look at all just that dirt that just came off the bonnet and all those little black dots too. So yeah, it's definitely feeling a lot better, looking a lot better now too. So yeah, definitely a lot smoother. Just got to do this right side, but left side is pretty much done. All right, so bonnet is done, and you guys can see very few of those little black dots now. So I've taken up as much as I can. Feel very smooth on your touch of a finger too. So before it was very rough, but now it's very smooth. I hope you guys can hear the two differences of that. But that's pretty much what I'm gonna do for the rest of the whole car. So so now it's all been clay barred. I can show you guys. So boot is all good. Roof is all good as well. So like all the black spots are already off. Just clay barring the car already made it 10 times better. So the bonnet as well. So yeah, now it's all prepared and ready to get the polishing done. So let's hook up the gun, get the pads on, and get to the fun part and bring it out the white color in this. Test it out, see how it goes, and then we'll go from there. But we'll start simple, nice and easy on the bonnet for now. hope you guys can see the difference. So I did the right fender a bit, super small, soft. So super soft here, and you can see this is like, I don't know, matte, and this is like nice and gloss, and then smooth, and then glossy. But you can see the difference as well. Like this side's all matte, and this side's gloss. So it's definitely bringing back the glossy paint. So once I do the whole bonnet, the whole car, we will camera up, and then it'll just look that much nicer. Alright guys, so this is the back right passenger door. So this is, I haven't buffed it yet, so you can see all that swirls and it's just dirty as. And then on the right, which I have buffed it, you can see almost no swirls. I mean, I could go over it one more time, but yeah. Going from like a matte swirly, it's almost no swirls as well, but it's looking good. Right door's pretty much done. Left fender's polished. Yeah, bonnet is pretty polished too. So let's get in there. All right, so the whole right side is pretty much done. You can see the reflection, looks pretty ridiculous now. I can show you guys an example on the rear bumper. So again, this side is done. At least it has some gloss and reflection coming over to the part that isn't done. Look at that, like such a crazy difference. You can't even see the flash, and then boop, you can see the flash again. So again, it's not perfect. I'm pretty happy with how it's coming out. Yeah, well, I'm just gonna continue on to the other side, and then we'll give it a ceramic coat. Take a nice cinematic video once it's done. Finally, the Hawkeye Impreza detail is now finished. I mean, the car looks amazing. The front headlights are all back to life. That was the front left, and this one's the front right. The car just looks literally brand new again. I'm super happy with that. I'm just gonna ceramic coat it now, and then I'll show you guys what we use. This one here, and that's gonna be it for the Impreza. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. A little bit random, a little bit something different too, but yeah, that was actually a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And the car looks like $1 million now. Now it just needs coilovers and some wheels, and it's a nice cheap daily. All right, peace.